We're going to be doing a no shave bonding technique called brilliant bonding. And what that is traditionally bonding scares people. Bonding terrifies people. I have guests on either side. I have guests who it has to be bonding or it can't be anything else. Then I have guests who are terrified of bonding. Today we'll be transitioning a guest who has been terrified of bonding. And bonding is really the heart and soul of non-surgical hair replacement, even though there are other options that are glueless, adhesive-free options as well. But with traditional bonding, you have to remove any biological hair and apply the cranial prosthesis. But today we will be applying the hair system without removing any of your biological hair. That is the beautiful part of long hair bonding. And long hair bonding does not mean you have to apply long hair or that you have to have long hair. It just means that you're applying a hair system on top of your biological hair, right? And you don't have to compromise that hair. We have beautiful hair systems. The bonding service, I say all the time, swimming and shower, and it offers a lot of freedom for a lot of guests. I love that you don't have to compromise your biological hair, and you can still wear the hair that you want and still restore your confidence, but don't have to worry about the stress, especially in the beginning of removing your hair. So that's what we'll be doing today. I'm excited for her, and I want to show you some of the process. I just wanted to show the front of one of our bonded system. You know, a lot of people are afraid of the bonding because they believe that it's not going to look natural. This is the scalp of our brilliant bonding, one of our hair pieces. And the lip in the front is so paper thin. You know, some people are afraid that the lip is fat in the front, but it's so paper thin. It's very, very thin. It's going to look super, super natural.